Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a simple kinetic typography. First up, open your Canva in your browser, and then here, go to the video section. And then you just need to select on this create a blank section. Now you'll be taken into this page. Next, create a text. So you want to go here on the text option, and then select add a heading, and we can type here, for example, welcome. And then from here you can basically change the font style. You can select over here, for example, I want to select this big Spartan, and then you can also drag the corners to basically resize. You can change the color like this, drag the corners to resize the text, and then put it at the middle of this slide. Once done, click on animate, and you can select any animation that you want on your slide. You can go to exaggerate, add motion effects, writing, or basic. So for example, you want this ascend, just click on that and select on this both, and then you can just basically select the speed right over there, and you can just resize or customize the video length. Once done, you can just click on three dots and select on duplicate page. Or you can customize it if you're going back here. So basically you can resize up to 200, and then you can delete this one, and then we can change the animation. For example, you can basically select this option at the top right, and then we can select any of the basic animation. So for example, if you want like this, like toric or like drift, or if you want this style, so you can basically adjust the intensity, and you can set the direction if you want going moving to left to right, or left to or right to left, or you can select any of the options here. So you have a bunch of styles or animation that you can get. So in this case, I'm going to select this drift, right, this one here, and I'm going to select this direction from left to right. Next, we're going to duplicate this one and create the second page. Now here, I'm going to change it into like 2, and then you can change the size or the color to select the text, change the color with this one, and then we can change the background color too. There you have it. Now we can duplicate this into another page, or you can set up another animation, but this time I'm going to use just a single animation, right? And then I'm going to duplicate this one and create the third slide. This time I'm going to change the text into quick, and then again I'm going to change the font color. So select right over here at the top, and this time I'm going to change into like red color, and the background would be like yellow. Now the last page, duplicate this page again and change the font into how to. For this last page, I'm going to change the font color into like color blue, and then the background or white, and the background will be like blue. And then you can preview your changes. You can select the animation, for example here. So as I've said, I'm going to use a single animation. Now let's preview our changes here. So play. So if you find it slower, you just need to adjust the video length. For example, I want to adjust into 0.5 or 0.5. So apply to all these slides here. And then on the second slide, and then another one here, going to change to 0.5. And last one, there you go. And then we're going to play again. So this is the result. So you just need to click on the share button at the top right and download your slide. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.